Welcome back, home stylers. I hope you guys are having an amazing week so far and are all looking forward to this weekend. So in this video, I'm sharing with you guys a quick little preview of how I'm getting my space ready for summer. I'll be sharing how I clean my carpet in my dining area and also how I assembled my new side table that I recently received from Amazon, which I'm completely in love with. I think it fits the space perfectly. So you guys will have to let me know in the comment section if you like the table. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Satoya, and on this channel I upload DIY and home decorating videos as well as some lifestyle content. So if these are things that you like, I would love to have you stay and subscribe. Or if you know anyone else that enjoys these type of videos, I would love for you to consider sharing my videos. And home stylers, don't forget to turn on those notification bells, because on Saturday I will be uploading part 2 of this video, and in that video I'll be showing you how I finish cleaning my space and redecorating for summer. So home stylers, continue to enjoy the preview, and I'll talk to you all on Saturday. Later.